In this video, we're going to be taking a look at these disc brake pads that I purchased for my Lectric XP 3.0. So I bought this bike used and it came with some disgusting brakes on it. That's what they look like. And I needed a set of replacements, so I picked up the set here. I'm very happy with the purchase. They were exact to spec. That's the ones that came off the bike. This here's the one that came in the package. They are identical in dimensions. They went into the bike perfectly. So what you're going to get is 4 sets of pads. In each bag you're going to get 2 brake pads. You're going to get the spring as well as a cotter pin for holding the pads in place, and then they give you a couple tools. So this here is a tire changing tool. This here also acts as a lever for compressing your piston and your calipers. You're going to get an alignment tool here. This here goes over the rotor so you can align your caliper back up on the frame, and then you also get Allen wrench here for taking the caliper off the frame. So guys, if you're looking for a set of pads for your Lectric XP 3.0 that takes the Type D pads, or any other bike that takes the Type D pads, these here work well. I highly recommend them.